Hello, and welcome to my video on the January 2019 Algebra 2 Regents, question number 12. In this problem, we are told suppose events A and B are independent, and the probability of A and B is 0.2. Which statement could be true? Now, to determine whether two events are independent, there were two different ways that you could accomplish this. Since, however, we are told that the probability of A and B is 0.2, the one method, which was to take the probability of event A and multiply that to the probability of event B, if that equals the probability of A and B, then if this equality holds true, then we can conclude that the events A and B are independent. So again, since we know what the probability of A and B is, it's 0.2, we can go through most of these choices and just multiply the probability of individual events A and B together to see do we get 0.2. So for example, if we try this with choice 1, do this down here, the probability of A is 0.4, the probability of B is 0.3, and when we multiply those two together, we get 0.12, which is definitely not equal to the 0.2 value that we needed it to be, and therefore the events A and B are not independent. If we try this with choice 2, we multiply the probability of A, which is 0.8, times the probability of B, which is 0.25, we get an answer of 0.2, which is exactly what we needed it to be, because that equals the probability of A and B, and so therefore the events A and B here seem to be independent, and that's our answer. If you try this with choice 4, it's not going to work when you multiply those two values together. You're not going to get 0.2. And choice 3 obviously won't work either, technically, if you try and solve for the probability of A and B using other formulas that we know of. So I hope that this video helped out with this problem. And again, best of luck with your studies. And thank you for watching. Take care.